Yeah, you need to have good relationship with your professors.
But now we
realize it. So
I am Ahmedabad
नहीं चल रहा होगा, फैन भी नहीं चल रहा होगा.
because of the
मुझे बोल लो.
I will to go to an IIM. I will go to DU.
Hi guys, I'm Kushpreet
And I'm Naina.
and we'll be completing our peer assignment while talking about IBMR. So let's go. So we have this clay here
And we have some tools, you know.
and the clay tile that we already made, and this is our inspo, the octopus. So like this is for our VA course. It's an assignment and I already did submit it, but it broke, so we are doing it again.
And it will give you a glimpse of what all we actually do in our course.
Yeah.
We have like 10 subjects, so सब कुछ ही है हमारे कोर्स में. कुछ बचा कुछ छोड़ा नहीं. ह्यूमैनिटीज नहीं छोड़ा.
Yeah, we have sociology, psychology. We had performing arts in the last sem, and now we have visual arts.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's just talk about IBMAR. And obviously, I need to introduce Naina, the AIR2 of 2024. So, Naina, when did you get to know about IBMAR?
See, I got to know about IBMAT in class when my class 11th was ending basically.
Oh.
So मेरे को जल्दी पता चल गया था. Like my dad got to know from somewhere. I think he did some research, and I basically got to know from my dad. Then I also when I used to talk to my friends, so they were preparing for law, and the coaching they went to, which is Career Launcher, वहाँ पे they got to know about this IBMAT and they told me about it, you know. So वहाँ से भी reinforce हो गया थोड़ा कि हाँ IBMAT ही कर लेना चाहिए. And then I joined that same coaching, which is Career Launcher.
I was also in a Career Launcher, but I did the online course.
Oh, but I did the offline course, Career Launcher.
Okay. And like I got to know it like before, 2 months before the actual exam. So while I was giving
That is late.
Yeah, that's very late. But it's fine because I had maths and it did help me a little bit. I had applied maths.
Even though I got to know about it like very early, I only started preparing for it like after my 12th class ke half yearly, so like in September. So it doesn't make much difference, but yeah.
Okay. And like, what do you think about YouTube preparation? Because I did most of my preparation from YouTube because obviously I had the online course and could not really understand it much.
See, I prepared using.
Do this also, no?
Actually, I didn't use YouTube much because I feel like once I started I did started scrolling on YouTube to search for some topics, QA topics. But then I felt like I was spending a lot of time just searching for the best video so that I मेरे को best video search करना था कि मेरे को एक ही बारी में सारा पता लग जाए, एक ही बारी में समझ जाए. उसके चक्कर में I used to waste a lot of time. So I just decided to like pay attention in class and actually do stuff myself. And if मेरे को कोई question नहीं समझ आता था, so I used to either chat GPT it or just Google it. कहीं ना कहीं solution मिल ही जाता है.
Yeah, I did get it.
So,
but like in 11th and 12th, I also did the online coaching, so I thought online was better for me somehow.
yeah. And I've never went to tuition, like any kind of tuition in my life,
Seriously?
Yeah, I just went for like IBMAT and क्योंकि and उस वजह से पता है
What?
because I didn't go to like all these tuitions and all. मेरे को इतना time मिलता था self study के लिए that I used to excel there.
That's actually a good thing.
Yeah.
Because I at one point used to spend like 4 hours in tuition and that did not really
I know people used to spend so much time in tuition and I was like so chill and still I used to top like I say.
Okay, so now how did you actually prepare for the 3 sections, QA, VA and RTI?
Okay, so QA was my favorite. I love maths because मेरे को समझ आ जाता है. So I love it.
Not relatable.
So I used to spend most of my time doing QA like everyone else. So initially मेरी career launch में बहुत सारी classes होती थी QA की, so I used to pay attention in that. And जो भी sheet मिलती थी वहाँ पे career launch में you get a sheet to prepare for every topic. I should do that.
Okay.
And then once the actual preparation time जो like 1 महीने पहले से start हो जाता for the exam. So जब after my boards and before the exam, I used to go to career launcher like physically. मैं सुबह around 10:30 वहाँ पे पहुँच जाती थी. And I just used to be there because वहाँ पे माहौल होता था, you know, पढ़ने का. And I used to be there and solve a lot of sectional, you know, those sectional tests
Yeah, I
and
think we
topic
got
tests.
those too. Yeah.
We had a website on career launcher. So
Hi, and you have this portal and all. But like, we should stop it after career launcher.
yeah. हाँ, but I used to solve a lot of those questions. तो वो solve करते करते, yeah, this is really hard. I'm using another. Okay, so वो solve करते करते my QA was like like the basic arithmetic things like wood time, speed, distance,
Oh,
and all
yes.
that, profit loss. That used to be on my fingertips. मैं अपने नींद से उठ के वो question solve कर सकती थी.
Wow.
फिर मैंने इतना ज़्यादा QA किया था.
I
But the
like
problem
you a
was,
lot.
हाँ, because LRDI was not there in Indore. So, you know,
Yes.
I didn't spend much time doing that.
I love LRDI because I had
हाँ.
started it since 8th class.
हाँ, actually LRDI when
Yeah.
एक बार ना मैंने summer vacation में like
Okay.
I properly started after my half yearly, but एक बार summer vacation में I ordered some books for this IB MAT preparation online.
Okay.
तो तब मैंने सिर्फ LRDI किया था and वो करने
That's
में
actually very interesting.
ठीक है, very interesting and summer vacation में you're basically free,
Yeah.
right? तो तब किया था and that's why I felt like अरे ये तो बहुत easy है, तो actual preparation के time मैंने किया नहीं ज़्यादा and actually easy भी था, तो मैंने सिर्फ
हाँ.
through mocks के through end में तो सिर्फ mocks के through कर लिया.
Okay.
And BA was my lowest scoring area and my weakest point.
I think I was pretty decent in BA as well. My lowest was QA for sure.
हाँ, so my lowest was BA. So उसके लिए शुरू में तो कुछ नहीं किया, but end में आके while preparing for boards के लिए एक महीने फ्री मिलता है
Yeah.
preparation का time, तो उसमें मैं सुबह के time first half of the day I used to prepare for IBMAT and second half of the day I used to prepare for boards. तो उसमें while solving mocks मैं BA पे बहुत ध्यान देती थी, मतलब mocks में जो भी गलती होती थी BA की I used to like मैंने एक पूरी separate notebook बनाई थी just for noting down the vocab words and the phrases and all that, grammar ये सब note करने के लिए. तो ये सब करने के लिए तो मैंने BA एंड में जाके बहुत ध्यान दिया एंड में आके QA के लिए I was pretty chill. तो that's how I did BA and interestingly enough मैंने जिपमैट से एक हफ्ते पहले जो वो vocab words पढ़े थे उसमें से उसी exact list में से 2-3 words आए थे. I think that was the differentiating factor. Yeah.
And like, what about mocks? How many mocks did you give each day in your exams?
I used to do like 1 mock a day.
I used to do like 1 mock in 3 days.
Like end में आके because initially I used to just do topic tests and sectional tests, but the actual mocks में मैंने बस once a day देने शुरू किए and then उसमें जो भी गलती होती थी मैं उसको दोबारा से करती थी. तो पहले I think 2 घंटे
2-3.
हाँ 2-3 मतलब depending on the exam 2-3 घंटे के mocks होते थे. I used to spend another 2 to 3 hours analyzing that and
Yeah,
correcting
it
my
takes a lot of
mistakes.
time analyzing them.
So वो आधा दिन उसी में निकल जाता था. But yeah, that is what got me my rank. You know.
And I also purchased like afterwards के mocks for GitMat, only for GitMat.
I didn't purchase any. Like जो free में available रहते थे ना, ACE,
Okay.
IBM and afterwards.
Yeah.
Those I used to solve. Like I solved like the day before exam मैं वो ही solve करती थी, ताकि मुझे पता चले, you know, to get out of the shell of
Preparing all your own.
answer. Yeah, you should not put all your eggs into one basket. And then I figured out कि oh ऐसे type के questions भी exist करते हैं.
Yes.
So that was a real eye opener.
And like, tell us about your exam day story or what happened.
Exam day story. See, for GitMat, it was pretty chill because it was the last exam.
Yeah,
It was very
Very
at the
last
end.
after.
I
And
think
the
for
first
this batch, the junior batch, it was the first exam that day. So I
Oh.
feel really bad for them that उनको time नहीं मिला पूरा
Yeah.
करने के. But for us, it was the last exam. उससे
Yeah,
पहले
like,
मैं
first we had Rota. No,
हाँ.
first we had CVD, then Rota.
CVD से
Then
पहले भी I had those symbolics के tests and
Okay.
all that. कि मैंने CVD दिया. CVD के exactly खत्म होने के एक दिन बाद मेरा रोते का exam था, and that's why it like went quite bad. Because I didn't get any time to prepare for Rohtak, like because उसके 3 दिन लगातार I had my CUET and एक दिन में 2 exams होते थे. So it was pretty hectic. And we used to go to remote locations.
Bro, yes,
in
even I had to
concerts.
like travel 1 hour for Jimbat.
हाँ, and for Jigmat.
For
हाँ,
Jimbat,
for
yeah.
Jigmat I used to.
I did
travel,
not
but
give COET.
I gave
I
CUET.
skipped it for Rohtak.
Even I got a decent score in CUET also, but then
Yeah.
Jigmat का result आ चुका था, so I was like, I would to go to an IIM. Why would I go to DU? Yeah, but then DU is also nice, guys.
Yeah, it is. So, since we both have been here for 1 year now, let's just discuss about our college life. How was it from the starting and how is it now?
College life. See, कॉलेज लाइफ हैज मतलब आप पहले तो एक साल मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ
Same.
ठीक है लाइक आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू गो विद द फ्लो मतलब क्लासेस हैं तो क्लास अटेंड कर ली कोई इवेंट आ गया तो इवेंट कर लिया मतलब खुद से ज़्यादा कुछ इनिशिएटिव लिया नहीं जनरली बता दूँ
Exactly.
एंड वो फर्स्ट ईयर बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी लॉस्ट
First year was very hectic, at least
Very
for
hectic,
the
yeah.
sem one, the committee recruitments and everything happening. It was
हाँ
very
द कमिटी
hectic.
रिक्रूटमेंट शी तो गॉट earlier मतलब
Yeah,
वो
I got-
जल्दी रिक्रूट हो गई कमिटी
Yeah.
में but I had to give another round of other committees and then I finally
How
got
is it
into
looking? I don't
EDC.
know how it's looking.
It looks good, yeah.
We just need to. Okay, yeah, carry on.
Yeah, and honestly now पहले उस टाइम तो मुझे बहुत ऐसा बुरा लगा था कि why didn't I get into the first round of committee recruitment but now I'm
When
like
you-
really happy
हाँ.
with my committee
When
honestly.
you're literally just get chosen for the best thing that suits you.
Yeah, and I'm really happy with my committee now. So वो हुआ and उसके बाद classes we had classes till like 8
Yeah,
PM.
we had so many
We
classes.
had so many classes.
Like,
And रात को पता है किस चीज़ की क्लास होती थी? Sociology and history वो भी रात के
Yes.
time होती थी.
We
And
got
that was
to.
the worst thing
हाँ,
ever.
we got free at 8.
8 PM and then we had no one to do anything.
Yeah,
After that
and
comes
but
the
then still we had submissions, video submissions to make.
the first
So
project
we
we ever got
the business communication project, and we had to make a video in
a
that.
video for that and we literally used to record it like after 10 PM, 12 PM,
I
12
think this is
PM.
enough now. This.
Video submission था and a lot of fights because of group projects. I can't forget how many
Yes.
fights I've had because of the group projects. But I mean, all in all, it gives you like perspective and insights into what real life is. You know, after going
Like you get to
For a
know how
job.
every
Ah.
person in your
every
batches,
person in your batch.
and then you get a group with people who you want to work in future.
Yeah. And I'm like really happy with my group right now.
Yeah.
हम इतने unproblematic लोग हैं ना I swear to God. First year में और क्या हुआ था like पता है ऐसे चला गया कि पता भी नहीं चला like just like
Yeah, we don't even feel like
Feel like
second
it.
years.
अभी एक महीने पहले we had like our first year got completed.
Yeah, it got really delayed.
It got
Because
really
you know what?
the war and everything. Yeah, guys, Jammu Kashmir में war हुई थी and we had to like go back to our homes and everything.
Yeah, it was.
And our MSIMs
Story
got
for another time.
story for another time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cover that in another video. तो हो गया यार फर्स्ट ईयर बहुत लेट खत्म हुआ लेकिन हो गया and I feel like in the second year we finally got some perspective like
But then we all do what we want to do.
हाँ like even academics में कैसे करना है
Academics.
and पता है
And we
honestly
have been trying new things.
trying new things we won a quiz
Yeah, we
form.
won a case cup after so many tries. Like we used to be in the top 8 or 12 before, but then we won a podium position.
This is the first time we won a podium position and हमने सीधा तीर मारा है like we won a case com which was in like collaboration with IIM Ahmedabad and
I'm Calcutta.
IIM Calcutta इन दोनों का मतलब हमने like अगर जीता भी है
Yes,
सीधा
the
एक
best one.
best one ही जीता है and that is crazy we got like third position in it
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Not expected at all.
Not expected. It was not expected because हम इतने busy थे. We
Yeah.
had like
I had the
midterms
recruitment
coming
going
up.
on for the junior batch.
हाँ.
Midterms coming in.
Midterms coming on.
Yeah.
We had like so
and
many assignments and all those
हाँ,
things to
we were
submit.
submitting everything those.
And इतने hectic schedules हमने दिया and we honestly we didn't even like feel like हमने
We just
कितना
gave it because we
हाँ.
have already participated and registered for it.
इतना effort मैंने डाला
Yeah.
but I feel like इतने practice के बाद हमें इतना आ गया था ना
exactly.
हमने इतने easily like third position like ऐसे ही जीत लिया just casually. Yeah.
And tips for the first year students who will be coming in next year or who are already here in our campus. I think it's been 1 month or less than a month since our juniors came to this
I think
campus.
it's been 1 month.
It's been 1 month. I think you're 20th, no? It's almost going to be 1 month. Today's 18th.
So the tips for our junior batch, I would say for our junior batch, it is completely fine if you don't have things figured out. And you know just मतलब अपने आप को किसी चीज में भी ना रिस्ट्रिक्ट मत करना कि आई एम नॉट गुड इन दिस आई वोंट डू दिस मतलब जो चीज मिले जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है ट्राई कर लो एंड वन मोर थिंग class participation is very important.
Yes, it is
will
very
make
important.
or
You need to
break
have
your-
good relationship with your
with your
professors.
professors, exactly. Like तुम्हें लगेगा कि ठीक है मैं मार्क्स ले आऊंगा जो भी हो जाएगा but having class participation is like the icing on the cake.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah. Even though मतलब हमने इतना participate नहीं किया था first time में
Yeah,
but now we
realize
realize
it, the
now we realize
importance.
yeah it's very important. And for the people who are preparing for IP MAT and are yet to come here, I would say कि मतलब जिंदगी में बहुत टाइम मिलेगा वेस्ट करने के लिए एंजॉय करने के लिए लेकिन अभी नहीं अभी नहीं
study.
मतलब once you get into college मैं मानती हूँ तुम कॉलेज आके अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर लेना चाहे
Yeah.
इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में से कुछ क्लासेस बंक करके मिस कर लेना कुछ फन करना हो तो बट अभी मत वेस्ट करो बिकॉज इट विल अल्टीमेटली यू नो तुम्हें बहुत रिग्रेट होगा एंड it's not easy to take a drop you know it's not easy to take a drop
Yes.
so just use your time here wisely and that would be my advice like prepare करते रहो भाई तुम्हें जो टाइम मिल रहा है उसमें क्वेश्चन मॉक उठा लो क्वेश्चन
Even
उठा
in
लो
your class, because most when you're in 11th and 12th, your class teachers don't really teach that much if you're in commerce.
yeah
So yeah, just utilize that time in
utilize
the
all that
lectures.
time in preparing solve questions as many questions as you can देखो अब obviously जो actual tips हैं for regarding QA भी है वो हमें किसी भी वीडियो से मिल जाएंगी ठीक है हम तुम्हें इन जनरल बताएंगे
Yeah, in
Life
general,
advice.
the overall.
हाँ a broad advice from actual seniors who are actually in I am Jammu so don't waste your time at all and एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स वगैरह ना यहाँ आके सॉर्ट हो जाएंगे तो उसकी चिंता मत करो बाकी जस्ट मेक श्योर यू प्रिपेयर वेल या
And like, what are your thoughts on giving CAT?
cat I haven't really thought much about it like I still need to decide whether I want to continue it here only or try to go for Ahmedabad I mean you should aim for the best you should aim for the best
Yeah.
आई एम अहमदाबाद का एम करोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी अच्छे ही आईएम में लैंड अप होगे इफ नॉट आई एम अहमदाबाद यू नो
We,
या
we both will be preparing for CAT. I think most of our batchmates are preparing for CAT. That's
They
for
have-
sure. They've already started some of them.
people have started but I feel like we're intelligent enough to catch up
Okay, let's not say that.
let's not jinx it
And like, what are your final tips for people going to give IPMAR next year? Coming from the AIR2 perspective.
the tip would be that देखो मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था कि मैंने इतना अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया कि मैं AIR2 लिख लूंगी बट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कि प्रिपरेशन अच्छी होनी चाहिए बट ऑन द एग्जाम डे यू नीड टू हैव लाइक अ वेरी क्लियर माइंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी focused and be present in the moment while you're giving the exam because you'll have to take a lot of decisions on the spot कि मैं ये क्वेश्चन छोड़ूँ ये क्वेश्चन करूँ कि नहीं
Yes.
which are like मतलब जो तुम्हारे इसमें इस पढ़ाई वाले डोमेन में नहीं आते बट थोड़े कॉमन सेंस एंड लॉजिकल थिंकिंग वाले डोमेन में आ जाते हैं तो उसके लिए प्लीज अपनी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी रखना ताकि उस टाइम तुम्हें इंस्टेड ऑफ फिगरिंग आउट हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन तुम्हारा दिमाग इन चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा लगे कि यू नो टाइम कैसे मैनेज करूँ जल्दी से कैसे करूँ इस क्वेश्चन में द बेस्ट मेथड क्या होगा इसकी वजह से तुम्हारे फंडामेंटल्स बहुत क्लियर होने चाहिए एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड टू गिव एज मेनी मॉक्स सेक्शनल टेस्ट टॉपिक टेस्ट टाइम बेस्ड आल्सो वो करने बहुत जरूरी
It's
है
just really hard, like when you're sitting in the exam hall and giving and listening to the sounds of clicks.
या देयर
So
इज अ लॉट ऑफ
stressful.
और बहुत सारे कुछ तुम्हारे सिग्नेचर लेने आएंगे कुछ इन्विजिलेट करने आएंगे कहीं कहीं कोई बच्चा चीटिंग कर रहा होगा
AC नहीं चल रहा होगा, fan भी नहीं चल रहा होगा.
कोई कहीं कोई चीटिंग कर लेगा तो उस पर चिल्ला रहे होंगे, यू नो, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू प्रिपेयर्ड विद योर फंडामेंटल, सो दैट उस टाइम पे तुम एक्चुअल में जो एग्जाम के टाइम डिसीजन लेने होते हैं वहाँ पे यू आर प्रेजेंट मेंटली. एंड दैट वुड बी माय टिप. आई वाज लाइक रियली प्रेजेंट इन जिपैट एग्जाम बिकॉज मेरे को ऑलरेडी इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी
That
थी.
was the best thing for us actually.
Yeah.
Was the last
And
exam
that's
that I had to
why I
get. And I almost didn't go for GMAT, you know. Yeah, because I thought that I joke mein ho jayega, and it did happen. But it got a little late, so I ended up here already.
Okay.
I think that's enough of the tentacles now.
Yeah.
You can have you.
We'll show you our final result.
Yes. Abhi it is this much. I hope you can see it. I think that was it for the video. And do let us know if any other tips are required maybe. And we can in future make separate videos of all the 3 sections.
Yeah.
And thank you for being here, Nana.
Thank you for having me.
Alright, bye. We'll show it.
Bye.
Let's complete this now.